Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back into our channel. If you're loving our content, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more awesome tutorials and reviews. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SS software. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review MagicForm. The MagicForm is a tool that lets you create chatbots, or as they call it, AI sales representatives. And these are not your ordinary chatbots. They're super smart, unlike other chatbots. They are not only limited to answering the customer queries, they can also turn your customers into lead. They can collect lead information. They can even set up customer journeys, just like email marketing. And the great news is this tool, MagicForm, is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is around $600, but at AppSumo you're getting the lifetime deal of MagicForm at only $49, and this is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. So you can web scan, which means add your website, or you can also upload document as the knowledge base for your chatbot. You can also use the embed Cody to embed this chatbot on your website. There are over 30 plus languages available. There are also CRM integrations. And since we're talking about integration, let me tell you, MagicForm has the famous ZBR integration. And I know that it is going to be useful for a lot of use cases. It also has automatic follow-ups on MagicForm. You can also create personalized questions, and the bot, the chat, Bo or the sales representative that you create, they can also learn from each conversation to be more personalized. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $49 with 1 agent or 1 chatbot. The license tier 2 costs $199. Here you can create 5 chatbots, and there are some additional features on this tier. You will get access to GP4, which means to write emails or to write customer journeys. You can use the GP4 model. There's also custom AI agent branding and white level dashboard, and these features are also available on license 3, which costs $399. But keep in mind that here you can create unlimited chatbots, which is amazing, as well as you can also send unlimited messages. There's no limit, so if you want to buy MagicForm on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into MagicForm, you will get this dashboard. And as you can see, this is the only agent or only chatboard I have. And to create another chatboard, all I have to do is click on Hire New Agent. And on this left bottom corner, I can see the monthly message limit. So I have 500 message limit. And I have already used 14 messages. And on this middle section, you can see some statistics. So if you click on this conversation, you can see the number of conversations people are engaging with your chatbot or your agent. And you can even sort that by months. For example, it could be last 3 months, 6 months. And the same goes for message. If you go to this message, you can see the statistics about number of messages every day. And you can also sort this out. And if you click on the settings, you can see some basic settings, such as you can select a certain chatbot to be default. You can also see the live demo page for your chatbot. You can clone your chatbot, or you can also fire or delete your chatbot. And what about all the customizations for that? You have to click on this Manage button. Now we're in another dashboard, and this is the dashboard for the SLD Copilot agent. As you can see, here is the name. And on this middle section, you can see all of the conversations people have engaged with your chatbot or your agent. And the best part is there's a great feature on here. You can even see if the conversation was successfully turned into leads. So as you can see, one conversation was start into lead, but the other ones were not. So this is amazing. And you can also see if this conversation is live, which means currently going on. And if I click on a conversation now on here, you can see the full conversation. So you can see the answers questions, which means all of the chats that are done by your chatbot with the other person. And as I have said earlier, that this person was converted into leads. So you can see the lead info on top. So I'm going to get to this lead generation or lead manager a little bit later in full detail. First, let me show you the customization. So let's click on Customize. Now you can customize your chatbot. So obviously you can edit the intro message from this box. And you can also create a flow of questions to generate leads. For example, the first question could be this one. then you want a name, then you want what type of stage your customer is in. So this way, you can enable various questions and always make sure your questions are enabled from here. And obviously, you can edit any of generation or lead manager a little bit later in full detail. First, let me show you the customizations. So let's click on Customize now. You can customize your chatbot. So obviously, you can edit the intro message from this box, and you can also create a flow of questions to generate leads. For example, the first question could be this one. Then you want a name, then you want what type of stage your customer is in. So this way you can enable various questions and always make sure your questions are enabled from here. And obviously you can edit any of these questions as you want. And then we have this instruction section. So here you can edit the personality for your bot. So it is now friendly, it could be caring or determined. And you can also add the purpose of your bot. So currently it is set to sales, but you can set it to support or you cannot set it to both. And then there is the call to action, which means once the person that is engaging with your chat bot on a conversation, once that person is convinced with these questions, what type of call to action you want, you have to instruct that on this box. And then you can also provide additional instructions to your chat bot or your agent. If you want, and when you want to modify the add-ins of your chat board, click on Look and File so you can change the color. You can change the delay of the pop-up. You can change the title for your chat box subtitle placeholder message. And you can also change the width and height of your chatbot. There is another section which is identity. So from here you can change the name of your chatbot or your agent. And you can also provide the website for demo. So obviously for your service or for products, you have a demo website. You have to provide that on this section. And then there is the automation section on this section. You can set the new lead automation actions. You can send a new lead notification, and you have to provide that email on this box. You can assign a default journey. So I'm going to show you in a bit how to set the customer journey, but I already have created one journey schedule call. And then you can also enable triggering Zap here. So now let's close this and go to this customer journeys. Let me show you how to create journeys for your customers, which means once the chatbot or the agent ask all those questions that I have showed you on that customization section, and your agent is successful on collecting the lead information. For example, the email, so then you can set a customer journey, which is very similar to email marketing steps. So as you can see, I already have a journey. So it is journey about scheduling a call, which means after we have the lead conversation, we will send these stages on their emails. And you can create as many customer journeys as you want. Simply click on this plus icon, and then you have to type what is your goal with this customer journey. For example, my goal is booking a meeting now. Simply click on next, and the best part is you do not have to write or graph the customer journey manually. You can let the AI do it for you. So all you have to do, describe your company on this box, and then you have to provide your ideal customer, which means explain what is your ideal customer. And then you can simply click on Generate Journey. Now the AI is creating a customer journey based on the information that I have given. Okay, so as you can see, the journey is now created, and it was about scheduling a meeting. This is exactly what I wanted. So here's the full journey, and the best part is you can also edit this journey. So as you can see now, you can edit this journey. You can even set the delay if you want. So click on this, and then click on this box to set the delay. And if the journey seems okay, you can simply click on Save to save the journey. So once your agent or your chatbot collects the customer email, that chatbot is going to make your customer go through these journeys or these steps, which means send various emails such as the welcome email value proposition, testimonial sharing, personalized solutions, reminder, all this stuff. So now you might be asking, once your chatbot is collecting the email information deletes, how can you access that? You can either access that from this. So as you can see, this conversation was turned into a lead. So click on this and you'll get the email information on here, as you can see, but you can also get that on another tab. So click on this and go to leads. So as you can see, this is the lead that my chatbot, our sales agent, has collected. And you can also take actions for your leads. For that, click on a particular lead. And then this tab is going to open here. You can see the full conversation. And if you click on this lead info, you can get some detailed infos about your lead. You can also add various nodes for your leads. And you can also assign a certain journey to your lead. For example, it could be meeting a booking, or it could also be scheduling a call. So as you can see now, all of the steps on that scheduling call journey is now appearing. So all you have to do is click on Assign Journey. The journey is going to be assigned to this particular lead, and you can even send email manually for that click on the Send Email. Now a box will open, and here you can provide your instructions, which means you can generate your email using the AI of MagicForm, which means you do not have to write the subject or body. All you have to do is click on Generate. And as you can see, according to this instructions on this box, the subject and also the email body was created. Now all you have to do is click on the Send button to send the email. So this is amazing what MagicForm is doing, even though it is just a chatbot. And you might ask about the knowledge base, which means how to train your chatbot for that. Go to this knowledge, and on this section you have to click on Upload Knowledge. So either you can scan your website, scrap your website to train your chatbot, or you can also upload document. And as you can see, I've already uploaded a document. It is a book about understanding digital marketing, and from this PDF file, the chatbot has learned this questions or this data. So there are various pages. Currently, we are in page number 1. We can go to the next page. So these are the things that are collected from my book or the PDF that I uploaded, which means you can clearly see what your chatbot is learning. And if you want to try your chatbot out, you can simply enable this testing mode on. And as you can see on the right side now, the chatbot is appearing. So let's ask a question. Let's send this question. As you can see, here is the answer. And the chatbot doesn't just stop giving the answer. It also asks this question: what has you considering a solution like ours? So this is exactly the question that you will find on this Customize section. So as you can see, this is exactly the question that I was asked on this chatbot. Because no matter what type of info you gather from chatbot, the ultimate goal for this chatbot is to generate leads. So that's why no matter what type of conversations the chatbot is engaging you with, it is always going to ask these questions and try to pursue or try to generate leads. And you might ask how to embed this chatbot or use this chatbot for that. Go to this launch section, and here's the mbit code that you can use on your website. You can also turn on white level code or chat bubble. And if you go to this email on here, you can connect your Gmail to directly send emails on this MagicForm. And then there is Zapier, so you can integrate your MagicForm account with Zapier to transfer delete info to Zapier. And there's also WhatsApp for SMS message and Messenger FB, or Instagram Messenger. This is upcoming feature and last. But not least, let me show you an example how the chatbot is going to collect the leads. So I'm going to turn on this testing mode on the chatbot is now going to appear. So now I'm going to show you how the chatbot or the AI agent of MagicForm is going to work to generate leads no matter what types of question you ask based on the knowledge base. So it could be from website, or a document is going to answer that directly. But it is also going to ask some more questions. For example, it could ask for a permission to ask more questions. And then it will ask what has led you to consider a solution. And then it is going to ask for your name. And then it is going to ask in which stage you are in as a customer. And then it is going to ask if you're interested to schedule a meeting. So if your customer is interested, it is going to ask for the email, and also it is going to ask for the phone number. So this way, the chatbot is going to work to generate leads in this whole journey. Everything the chatbot is asking you can customize this on this Customize section. On this left overall, I think MagicForm is an excellent tool, excellent chatbot. This is not only limit Lime to answering customer queries, it also generates leads very smartly. And if you want to buy MagicForm, this is the best time because it is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So if you want to buy it right now, make sure you check the link in the description below of this video. With this tool, you are going to get these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.